Hi everyone, this is Sentang Mayumi with another Valentine's Day cards. These cards are perfect for your husband or boyfriend. The stamp set I use is Art Impressions Lovebirds stamp set. I stamp my images with VersaFine Onyx black ink on 140-pound Canson XL watercolor paper. I colored them with my Zig markers, and I also did paper piecing on the umbrellas and aprons. I also use Polkadoodles Timeless Rose Craft 6x6 papers. I will use it for my panels and layering on my cards. For the dies, I use Gina Designs stitch rectangles and nested scallop stitch rectangles. I'm going to die cut everything with the dies. I have 6 colored panels, 3 of them have bigger images. I will use the die that will fit on each of the panels. Here are my cut panels. I cut them to 5.5 by 4 and 1/4 inches. I die cut yellow, green, and purple cardstock, and these ones are smaller scallops. I also die cut the same cardstocks with bigger scallop die. I have my colored images ready to go, and I save all of my scraps from cutting my A2 size panels for layering. I use tracing wheel to create a faux stitching on the edges of my papers. I got the idea from Anna White and Cynthia R. and Jetta on Instagram. The faux stitching gives us subtle details on my cards, and I really like that look. And now all we need to do is adhere everything together. Once you have all the die cut pieces, adhering part is so easy and also fun, because at this point I already know where to place my pieces and just enjoy the process. For the inside of the cards, I will stamp Happy Valentine's Day and Happy Anniversary sentiments and add the colored birds. So here I'm putting together my Happy Valentine's Day sentiment because I cut this apart before. And then I will just ink that up with VersaFine Onyx black ink and stamp inside the card. And adhere my die cut birds. And my Valentine's Day cards are complete. I love the stamp set I use, it's super cute. And I love how my cards turned out. I hope you like today's cards and get inspired. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.